Yo, it's here for. And a live commentary at the Bremwe. The Dollar League, the Dollar Premier League, March Day 25. The Dollar Premier League, March Day 25, between the government of Ghana, and the Ghana's economy. Between the government of Ghana and the Ghana's economy, Abuchi enso ejina touchline. Abuchi enso ejina touchline. Etiefo enche referee kwekwabe kudena ben ebe sheswa mo akensie ya shasiye. Players ejina muma the government of Ghana. Sam George. Ato Forson about the captain armband. Ato is forcing about the captain armband at the mother government of Ghana. Afeinso John Jinapo ejinem, Sami Jemfi ejinem, Governor Addison ejinem, Mamma Mia, government of Ghana, Omukra players pa min kinda dao. Government of Ghana kura players pa min kinda dao. So we'll share the other side in swa. Obehu players be to say, Eriko Pokun su jinem, Ujiremu pampin, and yagro and ye fediagro. Ujiremu pampin, and ye fediagro, why ye red ya ye crado. So woko koshe, Ghana's economy in swa, players a jinemu. Ubehu abochi su jina touchline, or nona eye the coach edema Ghana's economy. Abuchi jina touchline or your coach Edema Ghana's economy. Ubehu Canada, the Canadian dollar, ujinem. Afens ubehu US dollar, ujinem. Ubehu the pound sterling, ujinem. Ubehu euro, omunsu jinem. These are the top players. In fact, dollar and about captain armband and all. Dollar about captain's armband at the Ghana's economy. Etie for referee kwekwabe kude na ben no wabona ben mu dia kensi nyina shase. Bono ekura government of Ghana. John Dramani Mahama nyina touchline at the government of Ghana. Bono ya passable ne dia kwakoma Sam kuje to ablakwa we sane dia connect dia kwakoma Sam George peja ni dia Sami Jemfi atweba ko we peja mu dia back to Sam George gina so wasan connect dia Sami Jemfi ahwe left or dia John Jinapo gina ball no so first or san dia Ato Forson e pia ball no so captain capito we pia ball no so da bi wasan sign echi dia bre Sam George dia Ato Forson e pia ba no so ba ko mienu miensa watwe ba ko Ato is forcing Debbie oh Ekadenka Ato is forcing or the ball to net nim to net nim. Then so a go kick a babe ball etia a government of Ghana dollar fabono. In fact, dollar jabon, we jina bon so fefe on the left flank, we sani mo dia ba medo e dia ma pounds are done in ho fefe dia ma Canada done in ho back to pounds are hwehwe dollar san dia ma dollar jina bon so dia ma euro e sani bon fefe back to pounds, wa tweba kwatwe mienu debi Ato Forson ajebon no me kachira wo me kamechira wo Ato is forcing atasa Mamma Mia Ato epia bon no so back to Sam George, so Sam George atiashe. Yajibo nefi Sam George is able counter attack. Pounds. Debbie. Wa bobo ni bohunu. Pounds abobo ni bohunu. Enti ye babebo go kick edietia Ghana's economy. Ye bebo go kick edietia Ghana's economy. Na me kai mo se akensie we the Dollar Premier League match day 25 and ye she wa Babayara Sports Stadium e sane bo ne mo fefe bo na ba be Ato Forson e jina bo no so fefe dia ma Sam George e sane bo ne mo dia ma Sami Jemfi dia ma John Jinapo e pushi bo na ba ne mo dia on the left flank we sane bo ne fefe ni nua na wo den so there be true ya to bo ne fefe ntem paso pounds ato bo ne dia ma dollar jina bo ne so dia ama Canada Sunday boy no dia kwakoma euro back to dollar back to euro back to pounds Sunday boy no first back to dollar jibon watwe ba kwatwe mienu dollar betumi akwa na watwe Ato Forson Ato was forcing but now Ato is falling ya twe Ato Forson ya twe Sam George or the nefu Ato fomu etiefu Ghana economy Ghana banya ye mobo etiefu bo ni ko pounds or she number 16 jersey pounds she number 16 jersey we Sunday boy ne dia banyachi or dia bre Canada she number 10.5 Canada she number 10.5 we Canada Sunday boy nyum san dia banyachi or dia bre euro she 10.6 14.6 sorry it's for euro she 14.6 euro Sunday boy nyum dia banyachi dia bre pounds bi pounds 16.8 wa jebon ne fefe wa twa Ato Forson wa twa Sami Demfi wa twa wa Sunday boy na dane no ho fefe Ghana's economy no mudi agro ye papa mo government of Ghana left right center yes Sunday boy fefe dia call left flank debi corner kick corner kick ayebebwetia Ghana government of Ghana government of Ghana yes Sunday boy no tete ye go Oluwa John Mohammed jina touchline ibuefu yiye papa in fact Bonne baye ye Sunday born metetin one as Ato Forson jump so behead one not one pam $1 net it is a goal one in favor of Ghana's economy and there pounds otubone fefefe $1 identity pemye enti Ghana's economy yes almost one against government of Ghana ya the bona ba ya pass ball in pass so referee say aka 5 minutes near there can see nyina baby yes Sunday ball ni Ato Forson went to me nyina ball no so am ya san je finish am ye pia ball no dollar ye try dollar to form ye try dollar to form ye try dollar to form dollar fa ball in pass so referee amake dollar jina ball ne cho betumi pagya ball ya to net mu ana dollar betumi pagya ball ya to net mu ana etie for dollar kwa na chi ba ko mienu miensa ba ko mienye yego etie for dollar san share at net ozo mienu dia ma Ghana's economy dollar san share at net ozo mienu dia ma Ghana's economy government of Ghana that form 2-0 against the Yimwaye yeah Ato is falling Mahama is weeping Mahama Jawa touchline yefedia grow to musonya yanka grow kensi ya baby and come mapo be chameme wo park you see then so referees are cut 2 minutes and tempa so ya pass a ball no Sami Demfi aje ball no wadane no ho fefe diama Sam George diama okujeta blackwa dia koma John Jinapo aje ball no wa pass back to Sam George that ya aje ball nefi Sam George nsemu na ya de ball ne 18 yard ni mu ba kom ye no miensa pound sterling wa cross ball ne fefe ye go own goal where there your own goal Ato Forson or yes or clear ball and then sweat here for ball no epimono and every net nimutu where there your own goal yet 3 goes to nothing in favor of Ghana's economy.
Yeah, my first Sam George comment and Romiki Ngwem Gakra. I'll say Omaye more than we've done more in 9 months than was done in 8 months. And you know, Galamse and Shada Hadrins because Abine etu anamon kesi.
Say pass mark 50%. Unye 59 worry. Ni ono so nya 2 worry. Ni one metro bi. Ono kra de wa ya de chen. So no wa moka. But wo aboka afaka. So what I say, na me ma me nkra school o si woda no no so ba ya nkono to baby. Nti we bin chen we bi. At the end of the day, yeah, say Niema be clear. Once and make a noise as a mono. Noise in Ibio, and yet noise in is a dedeu. cool obian kasai but saa de ne distracted enkofo ama nyuma pa wo ye no ise nipa nye den nipa hu so wo hwa ye say 9 forest reserves na galamsey for wo yankopon adom yetumi I reclaim those 9 forests saa galamsey for no nyina yapam omofio but Ghana ni no ne won hwa ne say senior ninsu ne niat senior ye mu bi wa ya ye saa galamsey hu niema kwa ku say it doesn't even make economic sense. It doesn't even make economic sense. Say ye be too sa niema even yen fa the health side and nkwampo. According to doctors, last maybe nan kwanso maybe ya na doctor bi asema na woka. Say there are about 3 diseases are detected in those areas or now already pana involved. Any those they suspect say hormone may report to Yempona, it will cost us not less than 220 billion US dollars to manage those diseases. Senior, Sagalam say asem na AYɛka no. Sika say ne nya wo. Na yenre health side nkoa wo. Hwe yeduane is compromise. Sise wo koto kontomre kwa na uso. Miwa ya yenkura bremu nyina ya ka che say ye ni vegetables kontomre ye ema moja ko nsusa edeben sise ye nka ye ti asantima mu de. Nka uyi kotoko free ho na uyi otumfo free ho na uyi kotoko ye fufu ne toso. Say what I said. Here is the case. They say otumfo de nyankopon adom kotoko so ewo ekoso but say wo kodi fufu ana wo yem ehhehwe say wo to manche banche no ye say chemicals ayemu ma kontumire yes almost oko areas to take on go areas and crowd there just what why to be better for you not to eat kontumire me so me nam kwan su bia me hu kontumire feel no matter say poison at the end of the day me call galamsey site ho but share makofaba ene wo wi akrante egu nwura mu no yem sase nsuo ben no mo no nkusie na wo nwura mu twen ne ade no ndu yesu kan se wo ko nwura mu nam kra na so a eno so ya asem so and a problem enti media say president that noise he must cool it na Ghana for intimi ehunhu enipa omoye se galamsey no media me makase mining no it is the technology I use the chemicals na use there are other countries mercury ne cyanide ne ade they extract good wa omun use bio but almost to me different technology omode. So if we can bring those things, na woni company na woni your friend is saying that capacity to use that technology, you have no business going to mine. So why obia you say we need a requisite qualification or bachelor there no ko jina classroom say me ko chira and our driving license we need kaka na the license ashe wonsem. They will not do that. So we mining you have to be ready for it. So na ne kra and so sans me ya kind say may that kind of NDC MPP competition Ghana yekoyeni and the vision of the president to reset Ghana no, we have to depart from pencil my license 50 pencil be my license 2,000 plus 18 say una sa 2,000 plus of licenses it is not solving the problem. Take the license back, revoke those licenses. So what I say, na yenye the right thing. Me hunyina say that all those licenses, chamai, the permits given to you to go and commit the crime. Now, say amount license, it means you can commit the crime and the law will not deal with you. That is the only one. Say you can't crime. So what I say.
Pure FM 95.7. 95.7.
Yes,
the only station on your airwaves now.
It means that you are lawful harm. They say no. You the marana mawa. They say harm now. Are you lawful? So they say we're free the criminal side. So you know, and only near we should be looking at. Na say yes idea maybe the sa NDC MPP competition, you know, we should stop it and tackle it. If you say we buy Wama licenses, say na say nya sa licenses na terminate.
Lawyer, talking about say owner also no enra who let be a free secretary of the president Callistus Mahaman and Sasha as a doctor. We invite various civil society groups to say if you are the enemy 3rd October 12 p.m. or Jubilee House no the Catholic Bishop Conference, Christian Council, Ghana Pentecostal and Charismatic Council, Office of the Chief Imam, Ghana Muslim Mission, Arocha Ghana, Imani Ghana, Institute for Democratic Governance, Center for Democratic Development, Responsible Cooperative Mining and Skills Development Program, Ghana Coalition Against Galamsey, Media Coalition Against Illegal Money, Eco-Conscious Citizens, University Teachers Association, which will be Fix the Country, Fix the Country Now, Star Ghana Foundation, Center for Democratic Transition, Ghana Chamber of Mines, Africa Center for Energy Policy, Abantu for Development, Met Right, Wakam, it goes on and on and on to Action Aid International, Center for Active Learning and Integrated Development, Alliance for Social Equity, One Ghana Movement, Stranek, Civil Societies Group, we invite you to Omumbra Presidency, Hona, Omumedin Komo around Galamsey, the letter is on the instructions of the President, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. I am pleased to invite you to participate in a civil society organization engagement on illegal mining. This engagement aims to provide a platform for frank and constructive dialogue between the government and civil society organization on the menace of illegal mining with a view to harnessing collective expertise, perspective and solution to address this national challenge. And basically the crux of the letter, no saying it here. And Komono Uzuzu say, how frankness should they be able to tell the president bold in his face? He says, say now, yeah, a bit me a solve it.
University Teachers Association for Bekobi. But my delegation never called me when come. And it means it's a me, I was a me come there. And yes.
95.7.
Sincerely. Sir President Betty Yemubia. Niema bi say na Africa yeti baby ayeti. Yendi no krema Adea one Ubia can say Yenko conducted research to find out whether 1 + 1 is 2 menko. General ne catch them say on say cramai and achiche there and leopard no mo yes omuko race. We don't mujina track in the mono. Yabwa ben pay na chiche de ko kama ko leopard na unko no butu o se na mo ense mu na mu dia me mo ko fami se me ne nkofu me to America me jitu nkura se me ne o mo kwa kutu America na chiche me kura no matoto me mu dia ase senior if we say afina ye ba be pet sa de we hu researcher. We are not being sincere to ourselves. Ghana, ni ni say yinsu no asay. Insu na asay no. Yinim sa nkofo no mutu sa insu no. And then I'm no. There is no difference between illegal mining and illegal mining as far as this surface miners are concerned. The only difference is about cry for CTV say a man a permit. Na ba konsum kurebi. but the technology now say two people no use no the same thing no more ye but what I say yes mo munjai ya to aba ye the state no sika nyina ma ye the state no powers ni nyina ma ye the state ni to me soldiers for police for a two yes two na nso a sika ni san kra bi ka ho yes we na soldier for no mu so a mrante wo krom mu nya adwuma nye fa bi obi an stop chief. If we can't do this, na yes, yenko transe na yen na dialogue na chama ya ye we omukwa ombenum tin obie ko beto petru. Ye be we na the end of the day no e ka so former president Mayan. He put an embargo at least for 1 year. Ye koye dialogue na. Wo de momunja ye dwuma no. Na yenko transe Catholic bishop ono technology be no deba me nkasa ntia omo but what I mean is say ye won konfo asai dwuma we ye omo adwuma se san konfo no na we invite omo say mumbra na yen put ideas together. University Teachers Association be obi kire twi obi kire statistics obi kire say what I say onu no sadie we ni nye na dwuma ye won konfo sadie we ni ye omo dwuma say wo frɛ security forces wo frɛ omo a mining in penyinfoi a ebi Anglo Gold anase bia Newmont companies akese no a omutu gold no mon say nsuo no and a wo frɛ engineers na wo cancel omo say I want to solve this ya stop it at the end but ye nim say gold was assassino technology ben na yem to gold na sa de esi enra no e din sibiem eno ne de chamai metiase o na nkofo no guwe etu amro ba atwitwo wo se ye ne nko ye da on na papa bi kan so
o invite
because o kun dodo a ye no